ऐसी मोस्ट रैंडम थिंग्स ऑन इंटरनेट जो खरीद रहे हैं पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चों के लिए, एंड लोग बना भी रहे हैं। अंट शंट चीजें बिक रही है भाई, अंट शंट चीजें। सो आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट, मैं भी उस पानी में डुबकी मार लेती हूँ। लास्ट ईयर से मैं एक डिजिटल प्रोडक्ट पे काम कर रही थी, where I wanted to use my own creativity, and then I thought I will list it on Amazon and other digital platform जहाँ पे लोग खरीद सकते हैं। क्योंकि मैं इतनी impatient हूँ, and the amount of time it was taking for every platform to create those graphics, it was really like testing my patience. It was really irritating. But finally, with the constant pushing and me also trying to make sure that I do it this time and I complete it, finally वो दिन बहुत ही जल्दी आने वाला है. Maybe in a day or two I'll be done. Like I've already done. I just have to figure out the places and the pricing and just list it up online. छोटे बच्चों को बहुत अच्छा लगता है एक्टिविटी, गुड एक्टिविटी बुक्स अब तो बहुत सारे हैं मार्केट में. But anyway, the point is that I wanted to do this because having a digital footprint out there, जहाँ पे मुझे पता है कि there is no way I can write a novel or have that mental bandwidth and patience to sit and write. So I chose like an easy way, which again I thought was easy, but it was not. मेरे को literally सारे characters AI से generate करने पड़ रहे थे, and then not every character was up to the mark that I thought would make sense. So yeah, almost एक साल होने वाला है. एक साल पहले शुरू किया था और बहुत बार बीच में getting back on it, I tried doing it, creating it, but because of frustration of waiting and the apps just collapsing, I left midway. But then I decided, I started this because I wanted to have a digital footprint out there जहाँ पे मैंने कुछ किया है, like I've created books, I've done like some activity books and all that stuff, like a digital product out there for every age group. फिलहाल मैंने तो बच्चों के लिए शुरू किया है. Let's be honest, easy for parents to buy stuff for their kids because I know that they are an easy target. I shouldn't be saying that, but I thought that parents would love a good book for their kids, so that's what I've done, and I will show it to you guys how it looks like in the next video. Peace out.